If you're looking for an easy way to improve your lawn's health, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll check out the best lawn aerator shoes to help you achieve greener, thicker, and healthier grass. Number 1. Hutenoy Aerator Shoe. If you're looking for a dependable and user-friendly way to aerate your lawn, the Hutenoy Aerator Shoe is a standout option. What makes this model especially appealing is its upgraded double-layer structure featuring a smart spring design. This clever addition automatically ejects soil and debris from the bottom of the shoes as you walk, solving one of the biggest annoyances people have with lawn aerator shoes: clogging. The convenience of not having to stop and clear out mud or grass makes the aerating process more efficient and enjoyable. Sized at 11.8 by 5.3 inches, these aerator shoes accommodate men's and women's shoe sizes from 6 to 11, and they feature adjustable straps and Velcro for a secure, no-slip fit. Whether you're tackling soft ground or more compacted soil, the shoes stay firmly in place. Durability is another area where these shoes shine. The high-density PP plastic soles resist breakage and wear, while the heat-treated steel spikes boast a yield strength of up to 675 MPa, making them tough enough to handle rocky soil and slopes. The shoes come fully assembled right out of the box, so all you need to do is strap them on and get to work. This no-fuss design is a huge bonus for those who don't want to wrestle with tools or complicated setup instructions. Additionally, the manufacturer stands behind their product with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If the double spring system doesn't meet your expectations, they're quick to offer a solution. Number 2. Ohuhu Lawn Aerator Shoe. The Ohuhu Lawn Aerator Shoe is a smart and convenient solution for anyone wanting to improve their lawn's health without the hassle of heavy, expensive equipment. This model stands out with its upgraded design, ditching the traditional 3, 4, or even 5 buckle straps in favor of user-friendly hook and loop fasteners. This means you can slip them on and off in seconds while still maintaining a secure, stable fit. The adjustable Velcro straps ensure these aerator shoes fit a wide range of shoe sizes for both men and women, making them a practical choice for most households. One of the nicest features is the no installation required setup. Simply strap the Ohuhu aerator shoes onto your regular footwear and start walking across your lawn. It's a straightforward, effective way to naturally aerate your grass by promoting better water, air, and nutrient absorption. Another thoughtful design improvement is the addition of anti-slip bottoms. The aerator shoes come with a lug boss at the bottom, which keeps the spikes locked securely in place. Anti-slip pads also reduce the risk of slipping on wet grass, making lawn care safer and easier in less than perfect conditions. Durability is another major selling point. The base is constructed from sturdy plastic with excellent heel support, while the spikes are made from corrosion-resistant materials built to last through multiple seasons. The lightweight design makes walking in them surprisingly comfortable, and with consistent use, you'll notice a healthier, greener lawn. In short, the Ohuhu Lawn Aerator Shoe combines ease of use, thoughtful design upgrades, and dependable construction, making it a great buy for homeowners wanting a fuss-free, effective lawn care tool. It's perfect for anyone who prefers practical, low-maintenance solutions to keep their yard looking great year-round. Number 3. Lawnvigor Aerator Shoe. For those searching for a tough, reliable pair of lawn aerator shoes, the Lawnvigor Aerator Shoe is a top contender. Built with a heavy-duty 5mm thick metal sole, these shoes offer exceptional strength and durability. Unlike many plastic-based alternatives, the Lawnvigor shoes resist bending and breaking, ensuring years of dependable use for all your lawn care needs. The thick heat-treated steel spikes are sharp and incredibly resilient, making them perfect for tough, compacted soils that might otherwise be a struggle for flimsier models. What makes these shoes particularly user-friendly is their non-clogging design. The hollowed-out sole helps prevent dirt and debris from getting stuck, so you can keep moving without constantly stopping to clean them. This smart feature, combined with 7 sharp, bend-resistant spikes, ensures a smooth, effective aerating process. The Lawnvigor Aerator shoes also offer an adjustable fit, thanks to a shoelace and buckle system. This setup makes it easy to customize the shoes to fit various foot sizes securely, providing a snug, comfortable experience without worrying about slippage. These aerator shoes come fully assembled, so you can get started right away. Simply strap them on and walk around your yard to naturally aerate your soil, improving airflow and promoting better water and nutrient absorption at the root level. This not only enhances your lawn's appearance, but also boosts its overall health and resilience. The Lawnvigor Aerator shoe is ideal for homeowners who deal with tough soil conditions and need a sturdy, no-nonsense tool to get the job done. Number 4. Sakerplus Aerator Shoe. The Sakerplus Aerator shoe is a versatile and innovative tool designed to make lawn aeration both easy and effective. One of its standout features is the double-layer design with a built-in rebound spring. This clever addition automatically ejects the shoe from the soil after each step, saving you the effort of pulling it out manually and preventing soil and debris buildup. The result is a cleaner, faster, and more efficient aerating process. This tool works best in soft to moderately compacted soils, where its sharp spikes can effortlessly penetrate and loosen the ground, allowing essential air, water, and nutrients to reach your lawn's roots. Durability is another area where the Sakerplus shines. Made from heavy-duty iron with a rust-resistant powder-coated finish, these aerator shoes are built to handle regular use without wearing down. A sturdy footplate adds stability and safety, while adjustable height settings between 32.2 and 35.4 inches allow users to customize the tool to their comfort. This makes it easier to maintain proper posture and avoid back strain while working. The Sakerplus Aerator is equipped with 15 sharp spikes, which means you can cover more ground in fewer passes. This improves both the efficiency and effectiveness of your lawn care routine. Each spike is designed to quickly penetrate the soil, making the aerating process quicker and less labor-intensive. Number 5. Ohuhu Lawn Aerator Shoes for Grass. Ohuhu's lawn aerator shoes for grass offer a smart blend of convenience, comfort, and practical lawn care benefits. These aerator shoes ditch the outdated multi-strap buckle system in favor of an upgraded hook and loop fastening design. This makes putting them on and taking them off quick and hassle-free while still offering a snug, secure fit. Suitable for both men and women, the adjustable straps ensure these aerator shoes accommodate a wide range of foot sizes comfortably. No installation is required with these shoes. Simply strap them over your regular footwear and start walking around your lawn. It's an easy, cost-effective alternative to renting bulky equipment or paying for professional services. An added perk is the anti-slip bottom design. A lug boss secures the spikes firmly in place, while anti-slip pads minimize the risk of slipping, especially when walking on damp grass. The included stainless steel cleaning shovel is a thoughtful addition, making it easy to clear dirt and debris from the soles between uses. Constructed with a durable plastic base and good heel support, these aerator shoes are built to last. The spikes are crafted from corrosion-resistant materials, ensuring they remain sharp and effective season after season. Lightweight yet sturdy, these shoes make lawn care tasks simple and comfortable. Whether you're dealing with patchy areas, thinning grass, or compacted soil, these aerator shoes help improve your lawn's ability to absorb water, air, and nutrients. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.